Welcome to another exciting unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox some accessories for my DJI Mavic Mini. Now, like me, maybe you take this lovely case provided by DJI and the Fly More combo, and when you take it out into the field, you've got your launch mat, and you open up your case, and oh, well, now you've got to take out your charger pack, and you've got to take out your controller, you've got to take out your drone, of course, because how are you going to fly it if you don't take it out? And you've still got this case out, open in the field, the wind's blowing, the birds are flying and singing, and it's a lovely day. You want to get your footage, you've missed the moment. You've been unpacking your supplies, you've missed it. So now we're going to unbox something from Scotty Makes Stuff. Hopefully it will allow me not to miss these grand moments in the field. Here I have my package from Scotty Makes Stuff. You can visit his site online. I'll put a link in the comments below. And we'll see what I've ordered here. Well, it is bubble wrapped, which is nice to see, especially when it's going on the plane. You don't know all those conveyors and handlers it's going to go through. You can see there we've got the 3 battery case, we've got the controller case, and we've got a drone case for the Mavic Mini or the Mini 2. This is for you Mini 2 owners as well. Just make a couple cuts in the bubble wrap. Get that open. Quite professionally packaged. We're going to start with the drone case. There is a cut line marked right there, and sure enough, my thank you note from Scotty. My setup instructions. Ooh, there is the hex key and the screws and the clip to go on a belt. And here is my case. Oh, those are really nicely inlaid screw points. And we see we've got is that it, or is this it? This was the lock point here. Yes. There's the lock clip to lock your drone in once it's in the case. It's a little rough getting in and out. It works though. It's a very nice finish. Very solidly 3D printed. You should probably see how that works with the Mini. Okay, I've brought my Mini out. Making sure that my props are all aligned downward, and taking out my case. I don't have a gimbal cover on my drone right now. Just drop it in and locked in. So now this would be clipped on my belt. I get in the field, see something I want a video, unclip my Mini, ready to fly. It's already out of there. I think that's going to work pretty good. Next, I'll take a look at the 3 battery case for the Mavic Mini. Same. Thank you note. We have warnings. Just as you wouldn't leave your expensive camera in a car on a hot day, don't do likewise with your Scotty Make Stuff accessories. Temperatures exceeding 55 degrees Celsius can cause permanent deformation. This one comes with all the screws installed on the belt clip already, because it fits in the box assembled, whereas the actual drone holder itself wouldn't fit in the box if it was fully assembled. So I've got 3 clips for letting the batteries out, and 1 for the actual case. It's battery case itself. Now, I think I'll be wrong here. Which way does it go in? So this is finely tuned. Don't want to break it. Oh, that is really stiff, but it does open. Now, if I put this in that way, that makes sense because all the USB ports and the battery check port is there. If I press that, you can see all my lights light up through the cutouts in the case. Again, this very stiff, but it does work. It clips in there, not finely tuned. Does not latch, but that might be it, you know. There, okay. So you just gotta push right in to push your release tab, and then lift. Take some practice. Get used to that motion. There we go. It comes right out of there. Kind of, sort of. Well, I can see I'm not going to lose my batteries in the field. Pull, lift. There we go. Pull, lift. Yeah. A few tries. Mind you, they're not the easiest thing to get out to begin with. There we go. Beautiful. Lastly, we have the controller case for the Mavic Mini. This is what really attracted me to the site at the time that I made my purchase, because it was on sale at a great discount. Probably because everybody's getting a Mavic Mini 2 now. Sales have probably slowed down on the Mavic Mini controller. Wow, that is heavy there. That is really got some weight to it. There's a lot of filament used in that 3D print, and it has a soft texture in here, like it's almost velvety. It's been added in there. It's a nice touch. There's the belt clip. It's already fastened, as it was with the battery case. I'm curious to know if this is going to go in with my lanyard attached. I assume so. This was made Oh yeah, so you could actually leave your joysticks attached. That's a process in itself. And then, yes, just slides in there, hopefully. And it looks like it has got maybe a bit of felt or something in there. The spring just needs to break in a little bit. Possibly. Maybe I'm just wrecking the thing. Ooh. Let's figure this out. Let's try this on the other side. Oh yes. Slides right in there and locks. Beautiful. And that's not going to come out. You know, if you use your phone outside, you can leave it in this configuration. You could leave your phone mounted in there, also ready to go. For my purposes, I use these little 3D printed accessories that I place in here so I can use my phone in its case. Oh, that works too. I can also leave those in place. Then I don't have to take the case on my phone to use my Mini. I think I'd probably put those on in the field, but maybe not. I mean, the whole purpose is so that this is ready to go, so you don't miss that shot, right? So I might just leave these on. Leave that out. Put my other one on there. I'd probably save putting my phone on to the last minute, just because all of my phones, like that I have used with my Mini, have actually been kind of slippy no matter what configuration I use. So I don't want to, you know, I don't want to drop my phone in a pond or something when I'm setting up for video. So I'd probably just, everything else is ready to go. It takes 2 seconds to put my phone in. That's not a big deal, but that is going to protect the controller very well. I'm quite happy with this package. All in all, like I said, I will leave a link in the bottom to Scotty Makes Stuff. He has many accessories for tripods, GoPros, gimbals, drones, adapters for various mounts, double quarter-inch adapters, etc. for mounting your cameras and stuff. A lot of this ingenious stuff that you know, an amateur as myself wouldn't think of, and I really appreciate it, and I hope you will too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.